And to follow that up, we have another question about timing. For K1 visas, how long is the process in 2021? Now, the thing about guessing visa timeframes is that we are always predicting. We can only say what's happening currently for different clients, and then we can look at what are the known variables looking forward from here, and then kind of make our estimates based on that. So, as far as what we're currently seeing with I-129F petitions, a lot of people are really waiting around 8 to 12 months to get through the petition phase, which is insanely mind-blowing. I mean, compared to, I remember a time when it was literally, we could get someone from the very first step till they step foot in the United States, it would be 2.5 months. I remember that time. I'm old enough to have been practicing law when that was the way K1s worked, and they just don't anymore. So the process itself is not that bad. It's just the government wait time at each step is really adding up. So, right now we're seeing extra long petition times. We're seeing delays at the from the National Visa Center not wanting to pass the cases on because the consulates aren't interviewing at the same rate they were, or they've got backlogs due to COVID. So there's a whole lot of uncertainty. What I would say to you, kind of based on our professional opinion, is that if you are currently filing a fiance visa, I would say that psychologically, you definitely need to prepare yourself for a wait of at least a year and a half. If you're starting now, that's really the trajectory that we're on. Some countries, we already know that it's going to be longer than that, likely. The good thing is the good unknown variable. We actually have a good unknown variable on the horizon, which we're very excited about, which is that, as I mentioned earlier, the Biden administration is researching and has a task force currently trying to figure out what are all the main problems with the legal immigration system. And these huge wait times and unreasonable wait times are one of the biggest problems. So we are hopeful that they'll find a way to tackle that. That being said, we always want you to be going into your K1 visa or any visa process really being prepared for it to take a long time, and just psychologically fortifying yourself, doing whatever you have to do to take care of yourselves and to take care of your relationship, and to plan out some trips if you're able to visit each other, or at least some, good communication. How do you keep your relationship going and strong facing that type of obstacle? And then hopefully it's not as bad as we think it's going to be, but we would rather you be super prepared for it to be a long haul than to promise, a few months and then, it not happen. So that's the status of that right now. And we will certainly keep you posted. And obviously there's always a lot of chatter about that in the Facebook group, how, different people coming through and how long it took and things like that. So that always gives, I think, you all a good sense also of what kind of wait times we're looking at right now.